Welcome everybody. We're going to start in about a minute or so. Alrighty. Welcome everybody. This is Mike Metherell, Forex Traders Hideout. Live Forex trading. Live Forex on air now. 7 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Just a quick review of what we had earlier on. Excuse me. Our portfolio is up about 0.6% for the overall portfolio, which is pretty good from the last session. Made some good trades. You can see the trades in the previous video on the YouTube channel. For those who are wondering what this is the Traders Hideout platform. The link is right on top. Feel free to download it. It's absolutely free. And start with the euro dollar. Your dollar had a nice comeback. We had a very good trade on that. We could be looking for a short-term retracement. Let's bring up the 4-hour chart. You can see we're back to the levels of Sunday night. I'm definitely looking for a short-term sell. Everything that we do on here, unless otherwise stated, is on a 2-to-1 take profit stop loss ratio. If you're not sure what that is, have a look at the video Trading 102 that talks about money management and how you can actually profit with only having 3 winning trades out of 10. It's all due to money management and this nice little thing called TPSL, take profit stop loss ratio. And we're just going to let the profit chaser do its work. We're only looking for 20 pips. If there's any more, the profit chaser will squeeze out those extra pips. If you're not sure what the profit chaser is, have a look at the videos on YouTube. There's one on the setup, and it actually tells you what the profit chaser is. It's a really cool tool. It doesn't exist anywhere else aside from this platform. Next one up, Aussie dollar. Dollar has been beaten up today a little bit. Also, this is higher highs. I don't see any retracements here at all. I would be looking for a retracement from the 40 pips at least. Let's bring up the 12-hour chart. This is absolutely nuts. 500 pips. Let's bring up the 1-day chart. We're near this high right here, only 22 pips away. I'm looking for at least 50 pips down. But again, I'm going to let the profit chaser do its work. This is a longer term trade. I'm actually going to place 30,000 units on this. Okay, you always want to make sure that the expected portfolio impact right here doesn't turn on any red lights. And with this portfolio, we don't have an issue because it's a fairly large portfolio, you know, it's only like 0.03% of the portfolio, but it's still, if you got a small portfolio going, you want to make sure that you're not over trading, and it will tell you that. It will show you that on red. There's an order screen video on YouTube that shows you all these drop downs and all this cool stuff you can do on here. Very, very powerful stuff. 30,000 units. I'm going to go, because our spread is 2.5 pips, I'm actually going to set it up from 35 pips or so. So effective stop loss would be 2.5, which is 17.5 pips. Minus the 2.2, let's say it's 2.5. So effective stop loss is around 15 pips or so, which is fine. Okay, and I'm going to submit that. This is a longer term trade, the Aussie dollar. Next one up, dollar yen. We're not looking for anything exciting on the dollar yen. Hasn't been really tradable in the last week or so, but we always keep on checking it because it is a major currency. Altogether, if you take a look for the past week, it's only got 72 pips up and down. This is a time where you could actually do some hedging for the next 2 days and look for around 30 pips. Now, I would tend to go for the upside if I wasn't doing a hedge. As a matter of fact, we're going to do an upside right now, and we'll show you how to do a quick hedge as well. Now, because this is not a scalp, I'm going to place it at 20,000 units. Not looking for much. I'm looking for 25 pips each way. Now, I'm going to be setting up a trick here. When I'm reading this chart, I see it going up and then going back down. So I want to make sure that on the up, my sell is actually still open. But then when it goes back down, my buy would have closed already, and that way I would get a double win on that hedge. Okay, and if it goes down first, well, that's okay. Then the downward would close higher, and that buy would be stopped out, which is fine. This is part of the hedging sessions that we teach you. If you want to learn with us, it's absolutely free. Also, every Sunday, 1 p.m. Eastern Time, 6 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. Just add me to Google+. It's right here, plus Mike Medro on Google+. And join, and you'll get invited for all the sessions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be setting it up for 25 pips up on the buy and 50